Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect your Ag Expert field account with McCain Foods. Connecting your field data with McCain Foods easily helps you share all of your traceability requirements in a virtual way, and it only takes a few clicks. You'll need to access your FCC Ag Expert field subscription. We recommend using Google Chrome. Start off by visiting www.agexpert.ca and sign up for an account. You will also need your McCain vendor ID as well as the McCain field IDs for each field. It's a good idea to have those ready. Next, after you've logged into your account from your dashboard, click MyFarmConnect on the left. Here, premium users will see a list of all the partners available for integration. Let's click on the McCain tile. Next, click Get Connected on the right. A flyout of the consent terms will appear. As you can see, it clearly indicates what Ag Expert field data will be shared. Be sure to give it a good read, and when you're ready, click on Continue. This will prompt establishing the connection. In order for you to connect your Ag Expert field data with McCain, enter your vendor ID number in the display box, and then click Connect. And just like that, you verify the connection. Let's touch on the Manage Processors functionality you may have already been utilizing. On the left-hand side, click Settings. Under Commodity Types, Potato should be turned on, and then you'll want to click on Manage Processors. As you can see, Vendor ID has automatically been populated here, matching the vendor ID you entered when connecting with McCain. In order for your field data to securely be passed, you'll need to ensure fields are properly assigned. If they haven't been assigned already, simply click on Assign Field and select each potato field you wish to share with the processor. Next, under the Field Note box beside each field, enter your McCain field ID matching each field. This is required in order to pass the field information to McCain Foods. Once complete, click Save. You're ready to go now. All you need to do is enter your activities, and the information will automatically be transmitted to McCain Foods. You can enter activities a few different ways in Ag Expert Field. A simple way is to click Activities on the left, and then add a new activity. Be sure to enter as much information as possible. You will also notice the new vine killing activity required by McCain Foods. You can also use our MyFarmConnect tool to import data from My John Deere systems. This is a really convenient feature because you can import all of your fields, activities, as well as update your boundaries every year, and the processor will be able to see it on their end without the need for any intervention. It's a secure platform, and as you can see, it's solid, simple, and built for the farm. Thanks for watching today. If you need any help, please feel free to reach out to the FCC Ag Expert Customer Care team. You can log into your account and click on the Help button at the very top of the screen, and here you'll find a link to our online community, our hours of operation, and as well our toll-free phone number in case you need to get a hold of us.